New accusers in Blake Lively, Justin Baldoni legal drama can make or break the case expert. Testimony from two additional accusers in Blake Lively's sexual harassment lawsuit against Justin Baldoni could make or break the case. Lively has now claimed she, along with other cast and crew members, experienced invasive, unwelcome, unprofessional, and sexually inappropriate behavior from Justin Baldoni on the set of It Ends With Us. As a preliminary matter, having the support of credible witnesses is extremely useful to Lively, legal expert Heidi Rivas told Fox News Digital. In cases involving subjective experience, third-party witnesses can make or break the case. If third-party witnesses can support Lively's version of events, and especially if Baldoni cannot, she will definitely have the upper hand when it comes to her credibility and the veracity of her claims. Lively claimed two additional female cast members are willing to testify during the scheduled 2026 trial. However, the women both remained anonymous throughout Lively's 138-page complaint, and details of their allegations were not shared. The dangerous climate of threats, harassment, and intimidation fueled by the defendant's retaliation campaign has required Ms. Lively to alter her personal and professional life, and to take steps to protect innocent bystanders rather than exposing them to further harm, Lively's lawsuit, obtained by Fox News Digital, stated. Thus, this amended complaint does not refer to certain witnesses by name, nor does it provide screenshots of their text messages. Importantly, however, these witnesses have given Ms. Lively permission to share the substance of their communications in this amended complaint as contained herein, and they will testify and produce responsive documents in the discovery process. It's unclear if the unnamed female cast members filed an official complaint about Baldoni's alleged unwelcome behavior, but that fact isn't fatal to their testimony against the actor, legal experts say. It's well known that most subjects of harassment and discrimination do not come forward out of fear of retaliation, Rivas, a managing partner at Rivas Page Jump LLP, told Fox News Digital. Certainly, if they did come forward earlier concerning either their own issues or complaining about Baldoni's treatment of Lively, that would have been helpful, but not to have done so is not fatal to their testimony. At the very least, their testimony regarding Baldoni's behavior would support a hostile work environment claim, she added. Further, their testimony raises questions about the extent of Sony's awareness of harassment issues on the set, Sony's responsibilities, and Sony's liability. Fox News Digital reached out to Sony for comment. Sony has not been accused of any wrongdoing nor named in any lawsuits. According to Lively, the female cast members told the actress about their own alleged experiences with Baldoni in May 2023. One of the female cast members also shared concerns with Lively about speaking up and the potential consequences of doing so, the complaint stated. Ms. Lively shared that she needed to tread carefully to salvage some degree of chemistry and camaraderie with Justin, who's not only my director, but love interest, and we're not even one-third of the way done with filming, according to the lawsuit. The two women then recounted their discomfort with their experiences with Mr. Baldoni and Mr. Heath, including one incident in which Mr. Baldoni secretly recorded them, and another in which he made an unwelcome remark about the female cast member's wardrobe. Ms. Lively noted that Mr. Baldoni once asked her if he crossed a line, and when she said yes, he made a joke that he must have missed the sexual harassment meeting. Lively's amended complaint is strong, and accusations from other accusers, without a doubt, may be highly persuasive to jurors in this type of he said/she said dispute, legal expert Gregory Dahl told Fox News Digital. Remember that the burden of proof for a plaintiff in a civil case is merely that her claims are more likely than not true, Dahl, a partner of Dahl Amir and Ely, continued. Anything that tips the scale in one side's favor, even slightly, is a big deal. That said, I would suggest reserving judgment until we see what exactly these accusers have to say, as opposed to relying on hearsay, because in my experience, things can change considerably under the bright light of cross-examination. Third-party testimony could establish that It Ends With Us set as a hostile work environment. If Baldoni was really harassing others, that can make people on set uncomfortable, and Lively may have a claim, former federal prosecutor Nima Rahmani explained. There were a lot of people who would have seen and heard any alleged harassment, so the testimony of these independent witnesses will be critical in determining who is telling the truth, Lively or Baldoni.